Guys, today is September 20. Nandito tayo sa kwarto ni Holly at ang oras is 11 na guys. O 11 na. Kasi bukas birthday na ni Holly. So, i-decorate ko tong kwarto niya para naman may ganap ang kanyang birthday. Kasi wala naman siyang party. Kami lang naman. Tapos, tonight gagawa ko ng watermelon cake. Kasi I found out na si Holly favorite niya yung fruits. So, yun fruits na lang na cake ang gagawin ko. Pero bumili pa rin pala ako ng isang murang cake lang, $4 lang siya. Tapos bumili ako ng icing tsaka pang decorate para pang smash cake niya. So yun guys, gawin na natin yun bago pa sila magising. Kasi baka bukas hindi ko yun magawa lahat. Bukas ko na itutuloy itong watermelon cake kasi si Holly nagigising-gising siya. So, pero nakat ko na yung mga fruits. So, ayan o. Ito na yung mga ibang fruits. Tapos, ito nugasan ko na yung blueberries. Tapos, bukas, ayan, ikakat ko na lang sa kababalatan. Muna to. Ito yung $4.50. Basta less than $5 lang siya. Tapos, ito para bukas, para yung mga anak ko masaya naman sa salo-salo namin bukas. Ito siya guys, so $4.50 lang ito. Kasi yan, gagawin ako. Kita niyo ba? Sandali umiyak si Holly. Tira ko pa to nung ginawang ko si Holly din ng cake na ganito rin pero half. Tapos ito yung tira ng mga pang decoration. So ayan, nagamit ko pa. The cake is done. Ayan, simple lang siya. So, maglinis na ako dito. Tapos, tingnan ko kung makapag-pump ako ng mga balloons para dun sa room ni Holly. So, we'll see. Ito siya. Kailangan kasi mag-breastfeed. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa tapos yung dapat kong gawin. Tapos, na ano ni Holly, na-scratch yung ilong niya. Ayun, show your ilong. Yung ilong. Scratch mo. Happy birthday. You're 1 now. Yeah, happy birthday, Baba. So, yeah. Wala pang decoration ang room mo. Yeah. So, yan guys. So, hindi ko lang kung matapos ko to. Hopefully. Sana, finger crossed. Okay. So, okay naman dun si Holly. So, tapusin ko muna tong mga balloons. Tapos, yeah. Ayan, habang nagpapabaw ng balloons, manood muna tayo ng La Luna Sangre. So, yan. Pag muna ako. Time check is 1:39. Ayan. na yung mga balloons. Tapos si Holly, ayun, tulog na. Sana mapuno nito ang cot, yung crib. Dahil doon ko siya ilalagay. Birthday girl, ayun na. Hey, birthday girl. Happy birthday, Holly. Ayan na, yung mga balloons. Naman ang ginagawa ko, yung banner. So, ayan. Lagyan ko siya ng happy birthday. Yan yung sticker. Go to bed. Tomorrow. Later na lang. Hoy, birthday girl. Later na lang. Come on, let's go eat. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Look at your scratch. Let me see your scratch. Ang laki, ang haba. Holly. Okay guys, tapos ko na i-decorate yung room ni Holly. Mamaya, alas 3 na kasi. Kasi 3 o'clock, Holly? Na, hindi pa naman pa. 2:44. So, bukas, may idadagdag pa ako dyan yung balloon na may confetti. Morning guys, today is September 21st and Holly's
21.
Yeah, 21st. And Holly's
birthday.
birthday.
What a minute.
And, yes, and time check is 7 o'clock. So, ayan, gagawin ko na yung watermelon cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Holly.
Happy birthday to you. Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hooray! One.
Yeah, happy birthday.
One clap, sir.
One clap because Holly is one.
Blow the candle. Blow the candle. Blow, blow, blow. I want you to believe. This way.
Happy birthday, Holly.
Dad, I have to move.
Alright, this side. Stand up here and watch. What's it?
That one is so just good for.
I like watermelon.
This
You do that?
Hello.
It's touching it, Mom.
Cut it off. Yeah, that's right, mate.
I'm scared.
Oh,
Can you
well.
help me?
No, Dad's not. You can't really do this.
Are you trying to go here?
No.
Yeah, well, she just cut the end
okay,
off. Look,
okay.
just cut the end off.
Make sure it's.
We touched it this time.
Go.
Whoa. Oh, look.
That's it. You have to.
Put it there.
Watermelon?
I don't think so. It's even.
What?
It's alright.
And then you just taking off.
Yeah.
First birthday, she's walking.
You cut it
Cut
this.
big.
Cut it
Well, there
big.
is there. There. There.
A little bit
That's enough, because you want a big bit here.
even. Wait.
Again? But there's no more. Now why do we get all the only more? 3 times. Ma, only 3 times is not working.
We have lots of fruits to eat.
Yeah. And snacks. And cupcakes. And cake. And another watermelon cake.
We're going to straighten that up.
Off it, chop this, sister bread. Off it, chop this, sister bread. want some. Have you? What the? Watermelon? What's Hayden? Hayden did a prick. My Hayden did a prick. Dad, you're not doing pricking.
This one is not flat. You have to cut this.
Ew, bah.
It's gonna be short and short.
What?
It's too high. This one. It's
Which
too
height so
This
high?
one, This one.
Dad, that is too little.
You won't see it once you decorate, baby. You just spin it out.
Is it all right now?
Yep. Yeah, because you
Look at that.
put your things all under here.
Look.
All your berries.
Berries. Dad, look. Dad. No, Mom, berries. No, they go on the bottom.
Sure, stay on the bottom, babe.
Yeah, I know. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah,
Just an idea.
I'm just thinking that it's going to look better on the bottom to cover all that. That's right, yeah.
They look. There. They look.
Okay, like nice bell. Alis dyan magsak.
Wait, don't touch my iPad. That's not, it's not the watch. It's not Spider-Man. It's making tape. It's making tape.
Give me that one after. Kuya, give me that plastic bag, Kuya. I'm gonna put more stuff. Thank you. You're here to help mommy, right? Not sure.
Wow. What's this? We're going out.
Honey, honey.
Oh, I'll get rid of it.
Dito ba, ano? Put in the plastic bag here. Sir, can you please
Jump here.
tell me if it's sweet, honey? Don't give her because you're gonna drip in her.
Mom,
Is it
can I
nice?
get Polly? Can I
Yeah.
get Polly? What's she
You
cook?
love watermelon, don't you? Love it. Get it in my little good. Would you, my little baba? I love you. Is that nice, Baba?
You want 'em?
No, don't want that.
No. Did Dad say yes?
I think I need to put something to stick it on.
It'll be right.
No, because it just slipped.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
You
take
gotta
it
be careful.
outside.
You should be careful when you walk.
Ayan.
No, it's on YouTube.
Make sure she's not
She's
gonna.
not. It's going straight in the mouth.
I got the sticky one.
Good boy. Good girl, Baba.
That's my game.
You love the watermelon,
look.
darling? Yeah. More? More?
If you crush my turn.
Little
Anyone
more.
crushes my turn.
Eat that one
Is
first.
it right now, hon?
Anyone win, I have another turn.
To go where? Just on the bottom?
On the bottom, just to stick together. Oh, can you do it, please? I'm just gonna.
In here.
Middle, hon, middle.
you want this one?
Both, so it's just gonna mix.
Push.
Alright now?
Ew.
Oh, it's leaning, huh? It's like it's leaning. This side.
Go the other way.
Other way.
Turn it up the other way. Go that other way. Because that's the bigger size. So turn it up and put it on.
This one.
Yeah. Sorry, bub.
Nawa? Is it alright?
Yep.
No, I'm not allowed to get that.
On the bottom.
Yeah, but can you get me my
Chopping
chopping board?
Not allowed to get that.
Did you wash it?
Yeah, yeah.
You can't get them. Very locked.
Can you get me the strawberry, please, and knife?
How do you do the bob? Bob.
Where's that little knife?
Bob. Red.
I think my daddy. I love you, Bubba.
Do it. No, do it.
I love you, Bubba. You love watermelon, Bubba?
Davey.
No, don't touch.
Dave. Dave. Yeah.
Take a bit off the bottom, though.
Dave.
What time are you going outside, though?
Why? Why? You
Huh?
going somewhere?
Oh, we're going to take some rope in the shed. Ring me when you're going outside.
Ito na guys yung finished product ng watermelon cake ni Holly for her first birthday. Tinulungan ako ni Habi gumawa nito. Ayan.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I